If you edit with Premiere Pro, you need to add motion blur to your graphics. This is something with motion blur, and this is something without motion blur. We all know in After Effects it's really easy to add motion blur. You just click a button and bam, there it is. However, if you don't want to open After Effects and you just want to stay in Premiere, you can still add motion blur to your graphics. Motion blur makes it seem a little bit more realistic and is more pleasing to the eye. And it's a fairly simple process to do. So say this is the graphic that you want to add motion blur to. All you have to do is go to your effects and search transform. You'll add this effect to your graphic, and at the bottom for shutter angle, you want to make sure it's maxed out at 360 and uncheck this box. Then all you have to do is add your keyframes to your graphic for whatever movement you want to do. And that's it. If you don't see any motion blur, it's probably because the object is moving too slow. You can take it a step further and right click and save as a preset. That way you don't have to change the shutter angle and uncheck the box every single time. You just have to add the preset onto your graphic and then add the keyframes. Like and follow for more.